U.S. Marine Corps makes first operational flight in Middle East using GA-ASI MQ-9A. In a move that signals progress in military operations in the Middle East, the U.S. Marine Corps recently conducted the first operational flight using a GA-ASI MQ-9A unguided aircraft, UAV. The flight not only strengthened the military presence in a strategic region, but also demonstrated the capabilities of modern technology in improving the efficiency and safety of military missions. The MQ-9A aircraft, known as the Reaper, has become the first choice in various military missions around the world. With the ability to conduct surveillance and strike, the aircraft provides significant tactical advantages to troops on the ground. With the conduct of this operational flight, Corps Marin demonstrated their commitment to using advanced technology to enhance their operational capabilities. This flight was conducted in the context of increased tension and conflict in the region. The Marin teams involved were on a mission to monitor and ensure the safety of a high-risk area. The use of the MQ-9A allowed them to conduct more in-depth and effective surveillance without direct risk to service members. One of the outstanding features of the MQ-9A is its ability to fly over long distances for hours. This allows troops on the ground to obtain necessary information and intelligence in real time. With advanced sensor systems, the aircraft can provide highly detailed images and data to the control center, aiding in better decision-making. The MQ-9A's effectiveness in combat operations has been proven in various locations, but the first flight in the Middle East marks an important step in Corps Marin's strategy. The mission is designed to provide support to ground operations and ensure a robust presence in a strategic region. It also demonstrates the U.S. ability to adapt to different operational requirements. In recent years, tensions in the Middle East have increased, and the use of UAV technology such as the MQ-9A has become increasingly important. The U.S. Marine Corps understands that effective surveillance is key in addressing threats that may arise. With the MQ-9A, they are able to perform more complex missions without risking the lives of service members. This flight not only relates to technological capabilities, but also demonstrates advancements in training and team supplies. The Marines involved in this mission have undergone intense training to ensure they can operate the aircraft efficiently. The training covered various aspects, including control of the aircraft and analysis of the data collected. The UAV system is equipped with various sensors, including cameras and sensing equipment, allowing the troops to collect data in various weather conditions. The ability to operate in different situations makes the MQ-9A an invaluable tool for Corps Marin. This first flight has provided valuable information that will be used in planning future missions.